Hi gentlemen, this is Stuart with Trafalgar. If you're anything like me, you appreciate the timeless style of button and suspenders, also called braces, but maybe not the hassle of sewing buttons into every pair of pants you own. So today we're solving that problem with a brilliantly simple innovation. These are Trafalgar's no-sew movable button and brace clips. They come in a set of 6 buttons and are available in 3 elegant finishes: classic black, brushed silver, and antique brass. Each clip is made of solid metal, so they're built to last. The best part? They easily clip into your waistband with 0 sewing and, more importantly, no damage to your trousers. Here's how it works. You simply open the clip, slide it over your waistband where you normally sew a button, and snap it shut. And that's it. The tension is strong and secure. It's not going anywhere. Attach 2 on each side of the suspender ends for 4 buttons total in the front and 2 in the back. Now you can wear your braces with pride, either with the buttons facing out for that bold classic style or flip them inward for a clean, tucked-in modern look. Completely up to you. And if you want to change your look or switch pants, just unclip and remove them. That's the beauty of this set. Total flexibility, one size fits all, no permanent commitment. Whether you're dressing for the office, an evening out, or a formal event, these button and brace clips elevate your look without complicating your routine. Style should be effortless. With Trafalgar's no-sew movable button and brace clips, it finally is. Check them out in the link below, and don't forget to subscribe for more style tips and accessory breakdowns. Until next time, keep elevating your personal game.